Good morning. I am making some coffee, checking on my tent, and packing up. Most things are dry, although I did do laundry last night and, well, in the sink and bathtub, and that's not dry. So I'm working on that, hoping to get out of here around 8-ish. I've had my tent outside drying all night, but since it's very wet out, it's not really dry, but it's drier than it was, and I got a lot of the dirt off. And a lovely breakfast of bread, blueberry jam, and eggs. All right, so tell us who you are and why you're hiking.
I am Ralph from Austria, and I'm hiking because I like having spare time and also get good connection to a lot of people and the beautiful landscape and meeting a lot of people. That's the most important thing. And then it's also I'm still healthy that I can make it. I'm very happy that I can make it.
Awesome.
It's a big honor to do that.
And you're a teacher, right?
I'm a teacher. Yes.
What do you teach?
Economics. I have now sabbatical 1 year old.
Awesome. All right. Thank you. Okay, so Cheryl picked us up. We were hitchhiking this morning, and she told us about Backcountry Connections, which is like a volunteer group that has a free pantry for hikers.
I am all set, but this is
and
great.
We just thought we'd come in and show around because she said, tell people.
Oh, good.
So it's a free, like, food pantry for everybody, not just for hikers, I would assume. Oh, and like all these clothing, is that for sale or for
sale.
people? Okay, I see. So it's like a little boutique shop. Sorry.
Reasonable prices. It's all newly used, gently used.
Awesome. We've been hitching for like 3 minutes, and somebody just pulled over and said, hey, you guys going back to Mount Laguna? And we said, yeah. And he said, I got to drop something off and I'll be right back. So that is super cool. Well, that one was a false alarm. That guy thought we were going to a different trailhead. Road work ahead. I sure hope it does. So we've been walking out of Julian for like half an hour, not getting any hitches. And I don't want to stand in one place because it's cold. So we're not always in the best spot for somebody to stop. This is where we were hiking yesterday. I had no idea of these beautiful views. Look at that. So pretty windy. Chilly. Okay. It is 12 o'clock. I am back on trail. Got a hitch from a nice man, local trail angel named Septic Tank from his time in the military. And it's cold, it's windy, but it's not rainy. And we can see the view that we totally didn't know existed yesterday. So that's awesome. And hopefully you can hear some of this because it's super windy. But supposedly 13 miles to water, but with all the rain, hopefully there's some sooner. I'm carrying 3 liters though. I will admit. Okay, later. It's windy! Windy! The weather has turned out to be beautiful today. We just had a nice lunch stop. Well, it was like a half a lunch. Snacks mostly. And there was even picnic tables and a porta john. And now, not porta john, pit toilets. And heading on 7 miles to the next water source. Wow, wow, wow. They don't blow over.
Raving the short guy.
That's
It's just the songs.
They're all different songs.
Oh, I wonder if it's different.
What have these people done?
wow.
Good grief, I had no idea.
Me either. Not this soon. This looks like some giant is just playing with Legos and threw them down. Here they are. So cool. We're walking right through it. It's also awesome. You can see the whole trail from like, it's gotta be a couple miles away. Just going across the countryside. I tried to get it on camera, but you really couldn't. It is still super windy, but it is very sunny. And I love it. It's very nice. It is, I don't know, 3:30, 4 o'clock. I think it's like 4. I have 4 miles to go. So I was thinking I'd get there around 6. I might push on to the very next campsite just to get a little extra miles in when it starts at noon. So it's only going to be like 13 if I go to the campsite at the next water source. So we'll see. We'll see. Alright, well, maybe I'm getting better at this. It's pretty blowy right now. So we'll see. Maybe I'll try to tighten it up a little more. But there is my very dirty tent from the rain the other day. So dirty. There's sand all over it. It's very sad. Looks a little high for the wind, but I couldn't really do anything else. All right, did 12.2 miles today. We are at 59.8, plus a couple miles at least hitchhiking, maybe. Started at noon and we got into camp by 5:45, ready to eat some ramen and tuna. It's like 6:15, so it's gonna be so nice. It's cold though, so we'll see how that goes. And windy.